Hello everyone, this is Achla Jyoti Singh and you are watching Bijubota. Today we will discuss about the double fertilization in flowering plants or angiospermic plants. This is the structure of the ovary and here is the pollen grain. Pollen grain form the pollen tube. Inside the pollen tube present two male gametes. These male gametes develops from the generative cell. Two male gametes develop from the generative cell. Inside the ovary, ovule contain in 7-cell 8 nucleated structure inside the embryo sac. In the ovule, in the embryo sac, three antipodal cells present at the chalaza end and near the micropylar end one egg cell and two synergid cells present, and in the central cell region secondary polar nuclei present which contain two haploid nuclei, and all except the secondary polar nuclei all the cells contain haploid nuclei. Haploid nucleus, haploid, all the cells have haploid nucleus. Now what is fertilization? Firstly, we have to know about the fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes. What happened in the case of double fertilization? In double fertilization, two types of fusion takes place. First fusion is the syngamy, second fusion is the triple fusion. In the syngamy, one first male gamete fuse with the egg cell. Both the male gametes and egg cell contain haploid nucleus. Haploid nucleus means single set of chromosome present inside the male gamete, also in the egg cell. In triple fusion, also male gamete contain haploid cell of nucleus, and also haploid set of nucleus means containing inside the nucleus present haploid set of chromosome, half set of chromosome. Secondary polar nuclei contain two new haploid nuclei. In syngamy, male gametes and egg cell fuse together and form the zygote. This zygote develop into the embryo. In the triple fusion, male gamete and secondary polar nuclei, because here is 2n and here is 1n, these 2n and 1n combine together to form 3n. 3n, that's why it is called triple fusion. Triple fusion where three nuclei fuse together form the primary endosperm cell. This primary endosperm cell developed into the primary endosperm nucleus, which again developed to form the endosperm. This endosperm is the nutrition for the developing embryo. So in double fertilization, two types of fusion takes place, syngamy and triple fusion. That's why it is called double fertilization. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.